Hi everyone, welcome to Claudolls. In this video from today, I will bring you Tomie. It is the first work of a well-known Japanese horror manga artist, Juni Ito. It tells a story of how the Tomie, Kawakami, while still a human, was attacked by a group of jealous and hated village students after rumors began to spread that she was having a love affair with her beloved teacher. That, by the way, it was true. I took a look in my stock box and I found this goulia that I was already working on her. This doll was a commission. My client, he asked me for the image. Tomie have a second head coming out of her with a big tone, and that's what I was trying to do. So I printed this mask in my 3D printer, and with epoxy part A and B, that I'm gonna mix it together in equal parts. I'm gonna construct it her. Please don't work with epoxy clay without gloves, because it can be really toxic. Not for me, it doesn't happen anything with me, but wash your hands after that really fast. I used the method of hot glue and aluminium foil to fill the second head of Tomie, and now I'm working with my epoxy clay and with water and silicone tools and trying to give her the details that she have in the picture. I see that in the picture she have a tongue coming out of her mouth, of her second face, so I'm gonna do it with warbler. Then I'm gonna shape it and I'm gonna make it warm with my hair dryer and put it on place. After everything is dry for 84 hours, I started painting her. I'm gonna give her the color of like a grayish ivory. I don't want to be black and white. I paint the scalp in black acrylic because I'm gonna use synthetic black hair, and I start giving a wash with the black acrylic diluted in a lot of water to go inside of all the details that are constructed with epoxy in her face. And now I'm using my white acrylic and black acrylic and an ivory color also to try to bring her life. You're gonna notice in the end photos that the face is a little bit different. My client, she asked me in the end to take the tongue out to paint the lips in red. Client is always right. I just want her to be happy. That's what's more important for me. The most horrific turn of Tomie, besides a monster transformation, is a change in personality. Every last sheet of humanity she once held in her human form has been torn away, and she becomes a manipulative, narcissist, and murderous woman who would seduce any male under the power and manipulated everyone to her bindings without a second thought. The mutilation would only result in more clones of Tomie herself being produced. She also convinced her teacher, Satori Takagi, to become her obedient right hand for future plans. I want to say to you that you can find my material. I put all of the links in the description box below. You don't have to search for anything, you just click the link and you go directly to the product. It's really easy. And slowly I'm giving the details that I see in the picture. Because that my client asked me to put some drops of blood in her dress, I thought it would be very, very cool to paint the tongue also in red, so that's what I did. And it starts for the hair. I glue the synthetic hair with hot glue directly to the head. Because of the weight of the head, it was really difficult to do, so I did it behind the cameras. I'm sorry, you can see how I do it in my other videos. And I wrapped everything in foil and I leave it for the night to stay in place. And I finished the hair with the iconic white hairband that she have in a white satin and with a pearl. For the dress I'm gonna use this white cotton fabric and this white cotton ribbon. And in the skirt I'm gonna use a bigger cotton ribbon in the end of the skirt, and I'm gonna ruffle everything in the top and then marriage the top with the skirt together. And that's how he looks. I finish him with a bowl of satin lace in the chest area, and now I'm gonna glue some pearls to pretend that there are some buttons. And I also give her a pearl necklace. I want to give her plaid shoes, black varnish plaid shoes that I printed in the 3D printer, and now I'm gonna give her a warbler sole that I make it warm and flexible with my hair dryer, and I shaped it to the shoe. And now I'm gonna paint it with black acrylic glossy. I give it 3 layers to make it opaque. And now I'm gonna finish them with a layer of UV resin that I'm gonna cure it under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. With this white tool, I'm gonna give her socks. I sew it directly on her foot. I love the shoes. I'm gonna finish them with these buckles in silver color and this synthetic black leather. Then I'm gonna glue it with super glue directly on the shoes. If you have any question about the method that I use or anything, you just ask me and I have a lot of pleasure to explain it to you. That's why I'm here. Our Tomie is ready. I hope you love her. I really love her. My client is super happy with her. I want to say thank you for all the support that you're giving to me in 2022. I want to say thank you to support my channel, and for that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the bell button to see my future videos and my future plans. Leave your like, leave your comment. I love to read all of your comments, and it's time to say goodbye, and I see you on my next video. Bye!